Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Snapchat AI chatbots like a pro. Let's get started. First, open Snapchat and go to Chat tab. You'll find my AI pinned to the top if using Snapchat Plus. Otherwise, search for My AI or update your app. Then tap on My AI and send message. You can ask anything, suggest gift ideas, brainstorm story ideas, or even ask for a fun jokes. Then you can also send a photo and my AI will identify objects or describe your image. But in the Snapchat Plus, users may get a visual response. You can also ask AI to play 20 questions, Uno, or tic-tac-toe right in your chat. Just type your game request. Subscribers can rename my AI, change its avatar, and even write a custom bio. You can also unpin it from chats if you prefer a cleaner look. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.